Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about an oxygen concentrator, which is a 5-liter machine, and this machine comes from IKEA and the model number is 213180. This is a German machine. This is made in Germany, and this comes with a bottle, nose cannula, a connecting tubing, a user manual. So let's install the device. So first we need to fill the water in this bottle. So there is a maximum level, there is a minimum level. So we will put minimum, probably. That's okay. We'll fix it here. This is the tubing. So we need to fix one end here and plug the other end here. I need to plug this again. There is a nasal cannula which has to be connected here for the oxygen delivery. Let me turn on the machine. Okay. So the machine is turned on. Here we see LPM. LPM stands for liter per minute. You can go up and down from here. So this is at 1 liter. You can go up. This is 5 liter. In this machine, the concentration of oxygen remains minimum 93%. That means the purity of oxygen वो 90% से नीचे ड्रॉप नहीं होती है. ऑक्सीजन आपके पास प्योर आता है, चाहे आप 1 लीटर पे यूज करें उसको, चाहे आप 5 लीटर पे यूज करें उसको. Here on the screen you see this is the time. So if you want to use for 2 hours, you set it for 2 hours, and here you see now this is set for 30 minutes. You can do it for 60, 120, 480. 480 is the maximum number of minutes that you can use at one stretch, but this machine is very sturdy. It comes with a 1-year warranty from the company, so and it works for I would say 1 week. If you use it non-stop, there will be no problem. So let me shut down the machine first and show you what's on the back. So we open the rear side. You see there is a filter, there is another filter. This filter is changeable. You need to change this. So there is an extra. There is another filter which needs to be replaced maybe after 25,000 hours. And it's easily available. Let me refix it. And you see this device is manufactured in Germany. And this is for medical use. And it works in 220 volt. And the rest is, I think, is not important. So let me turn it on again. This nasal cannula has to be connected here. You need to plug the cannula here. The one end of the cannula here, and the second end has to go here in the nose. There is also a user manual with this, and they have offices in Germany, Poland, Switzerland, Denmark, Italy, United Kingdom, Netherlands, and Canada. So this is a very well-known brand, Ikemea, and it is a German product. It is absolutely the top quality, and it doesn't break down at all. So I recommend this machine to you if you have a post-COVID patient at home. And in case you need to ask me anything, you can email me or call me for any further details. Thank you.